So today we're going to make a lion snack. What you're going to need is 1 graham cracker cut in half into 2 squares, 1 scoop of peanut butter, 1 handful of pretzel sticks, 1 mini pretzel twist, and 3 chocolate chips or raisins if you have them. So you're going to take 1/2 of the graham cracker and spread it with the peanut butter. And then you're going to take your pretzel sticks and just stick them all around, and this is going to be your lion mane. You could put them closer together. I was just kind of experimenting, so I didn't use that many, but you can certainly put it all the way around. I just concentrated towards the middle and top. And then you're going to take your other square and put it on top. You can put some peanut butter on that other side too to put it on top. And then you're going to put your chocolate chips for the eyes, put the twist as the mouth and the nose. And then there you have it, your lion snack. Enjoy!